Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about something fun and fascinating math problem, rabbit problem. So this is based on the Fibonacci sequence. So if you are interested with this series, stay with us, like, comment and share. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, a certain man put a pair of rabbit in a place surrounded on all sides by a wall. So he had a problem how many pair of rabbit can be produced in a year. Okay, now let's solve this problem. We take this circle is adult pair and this empty circle is baby pair like this. So in the first month we have one adult pair here, and in the second month we have this adult pair and their baby pair like this. So second month we have all two pair, and third month we have this adult pair and their babies like this. So this baby pair is now mature. So all we have three pair on 3 months like this. So in the fourth month we have this adult pair and their babies like. So this baby pair is now mature like this. So this adult pair here and their babies here. So we have fourth month 1 2 3 4 5 all 5 pairs like this. So in the fifth month we have this adult pair and their babies like. So this baby pair now mature like. So this adult pair and their babies here, and this adult pair and their babies here. This baby pair is now mature like this. In the fifth month we have all 8 pairs like this. So in the sixth month this adult pair and their babies, this pair is mature, and this adult pair here and their babies here. So like this adult pair here and this adult pair babies here, and this pair is now mature, and this is adult pair and this is their babies like this. So this pair is now mature, and like this pair is adult pair and this is babies like this. In the sixth month we have 13 pairs all of. So next we talk about how this table going. This is our table, and after 12 months we can found 233 pairs. In this table we starting from 0. If you starting from 1 you can found this value. We can found pattern on this all series. So this called Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci series like this. So this is the formula in Fibonacci series: Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2 like this. Okay, next we talk about code. So I used to Dev C++ app to run this program. So mainly we have include IO stream, it means input output stream like this. So after I used using namespace std like this. So after I used function int rabbit, we have parameter in int n like this. So if n equal 1 or if n equal 2, then we return 1. It means like our formula, not our table. So next we return rabbit n minus 1 plus rabbit n minus 2 like this. It means our formula like this. So after in the main method we used n variable to store user input. and we see out enter number of month like this if you want. So after we have see into store that user input. After we see out rabbit pair after like this. After we have n, it means user input. So after month we print our n value in our function. So after we return 0. Okay, I will run this code. Let's take output. So I will enter so I will enter 5. So now we get output 5 like this. So after we enter okay, I will enter another number. So I will enter 8. So we can get 21 like this. So that's all for today. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, share and subscribe us. Thank you.